I will focus on improving my handwriting. I will focus on improving my handwriting. I will participate in school activities. I will reduce junk food and sugar. I will show gratitude for small things. I will be helpful at home every day. I will make a habit of reading. I will make a habit of reading stories and newspaper. I will avoid saying hurtful things to others. I will take breaks and relax when needed. I will try to stay organized throughout the year. I will believe in myself and work toward my dreams. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.